Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a cozy coconut hot chocolate. This coconut hot chocolate is made using coconut milk and coconut whipped cream for a vegan hot chocolate that is oh so delicious. Let me show you guys how to make it. So the first step in making this coconut hot chocolate is we're going to make homemade vegan whipped cream using coconut cream. And now not all coconut creams are created equal. I've tried different brands and I've had a hard time whipping it up into whipped cream sometimes. So this is one of the brands that I definitely recommend. It's the Let's Do Organic. And you want to make sure that this has been chilled in your refrigerator for at least 24 to 48 hours. So once your can of coconut cream is chilled, we're going to open this up. And now the coconut fat part is going to be on top and the coconut water part is going to be on the bottom. We just want to use the coconut cream, which is the fat, on the top. We don't want to get any water in here as we scoop the coconut cream into our mixing bowl, because this is what's going to whip up like whipped cream. So as you can see, the coconut cream on top is the hard part, and we're going to transfer this into our stand mixer. So as soon as you guys hit coconut water, then you want to stop. We don't want to use any of this coconut water in here. So you guys can save this extra coconut water. I like to use it in smoothies. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're just going to mix this on low and then speed the mixer up to high, and we're going to whip this until it's smooth and creamy. And this is only going to take a few minutes. Now we have delicious homemade vegan whipped cream. So now I'm going to transfer this to an airtight container while we make our hot chocolate. And you can keep the extra vegan whipped cream in the fridge for about a week. Now we're going to make the coconut hot chocolate. So I have 1.5 tablespoons of cane sugar, and then a heaping 1 tablespoon of Dutch cocoa powder. So I always recommend using Dutch cocoa powder for hot chocolate. This is because it has a sweeter, more rich chocolate flavor, where natural is going to be a little bit more bitter. And then we're going to use coconut milk for this. And this is what's going to flavor this coconut along with the coconut whipped cream. And so we're going to add in 1 cup of coconut milk. So my top trick for getting a super creamy hot chocolate with coconut milk is using full fat coconut milk in a can. My favorite coconut milk in a can is Jiva Organics, and it only has 1 ingredient, coconut. That's it. No stabilizers, no added flavors or sugars, nothing else. And now I'm not using it directly from the can. When I open my can of coconut milk, I will mix it with 1 part water. That's why you guys saw me shaking up the mason jar, because that's how I store it in my fridge, and it will separate because there's no added stabilizers or anything else when you're using an organic full fat coconut milk from a can that just has 1 ingredient. Now we're gonna put this over the stovetop and heat it over medium-high heat. And we're gonna whisk this until everything is completely combined. And we want to heat until it comes to about 140 degrees on a drink thermometer. Now I highly recommend using a drink thermometer because this is going to ensure that the milk doesn't burn. If it does burn, that burnt flavor will transfer into your hot chocolate and it's not that great. 140 degrees is like the magic number that I think is like perfectly hot, but also like hot enough that you could still possibly drink it if you want. This was the temperature that we served all of our hot chocolates at my bakery. Next, we're going to add in a big dollop of our coconut whipped cream. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more cozy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.